In this video, I'll show you how to check your PayPal account limits and see what you're allowed to do with your account. First, open the PayPal app or website and log in. On the home screen, look for any yellow warning bars or messages at the top. These often tell you right away if there are limits or issues on your account. Next, go to Settings and look for sections like Account Settings, Account Status, or Security. In some regions, you can also open the Resolution Center. Here, PayPal shows if your account has sending, receiving, or withdrawal limits, and if they need more information from you. If there's an option like View Limits, View Account Limits, or Lift Limits, tap or click it. You'll see details such as how much you can send, receive, or withdraw, and whether you need to verify your identity, confirm your card, or link a bank to remove those limits. Check this section from time to time, especially if you use PayPal for business or larger transfers. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.